Hello, class 5. How are you all? So, we have been studying chapter number 10, Air and Water. Yes. So, last time we studied uh, about the composition of air, properties of air, and we also had gone through an experiment. Today we will do one more experiment. I will show you one more experiment that you can do at home. Okay, that you can do at home, and we will study about air pollutant. We will study about air pollutant. I am speaking the word air pollutant. AIR, air pollutant. POLLUTANTS, air pollutants. Okay. So, and then we will study about water. Yes. Then we will study about water, and then we will see the introduction of water purification. Okay, so before we start the chapter, let's revise whatever we studied in previous class. So kids, you know that air, what is air is a mixture of different gases. Yes, and the layer of the air that surround the earth is called atmosphere. The layer of the air that surround the earth is called atmosphere, and our atmosphere can be divided into 5 layer. First is troposphere, second is stratosphere, third is mesosphere, fourth is thermosphere, last exosphere. Yes, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, these are 5 layers. And kids, you know that air is a mixture of gas. It contains different gas. Yes, our atmosphere has different kind of gases. In our atmosphere, 78% is nitrogen. Yes, it is found in most abundant air. Nitrogen gas is found in most abundant. Okay, and if we talk about oxygen, then oxygen is 21% only. Yes, oxygen is only 21%, and other gases, the remaining gases are only 1%. Means they are very few in quantity. Yes, they are very few in quantity. Like carbon dioxide is 0.03%, and other cases like hydrogen, helium, argon. Yes, hydrogen, helium, argon, methane, and air also contains humidity. Means the amount of air present in the air is called humidity. So these things are present, these gases are present in the air, and we also studied about the properties of air. So there are 5 properties. There are 5 properties of air. Yes, property number 1, air occupy space. Means air cover the space. Air is covering the place. Yes. Second point is air has a weight. Air has a weight. Okay. Third point is air exert pressure. Yes, air apply pressure. Fourth point is air is needed for burning. Fifth point is air is odorless, tasteless, and colorless. Yes, these are 5 properties of air. So first property is air occupy space. Yes, air can cover the space. You know, suppose you have a balloon. If you feel the air, so then what will happen? The size of balloon will increase. So what is happening? The air is occupying the space in the balloon. Yes, and you know, when we try to sink any plastic mug into water, then what happens? If you try to sink plastic invert the plastic mug and try to dip into water, you will see that water will not go into the mug. You will see that water will not go into the mug. Why? Because air has already covered the space, air has already occupied the space. That's why. And last time we in previous class we had gone through an experiment which shows that air has a weight. Yes, we took a stick and we at one hand we attached inflated balloon and another end we attached a deflated balloon, means without air, and with a string we at the center of the stick we tie it, and we saw that the air the air filled balloon means inflated balloon has just pulled down the stick. Yes, so which shows that air has weight, and air also exert pressure. Air also apply pressure. For example, behind the mobile, some people use a stand of plastic which is just behind the mobile. Yes, have you seen? It is stick to the back side of mobile without any gum. Yes, it attached to the mobile back side, without any gum. Yes. How does it happen? Because when you try to attach that circular round shape stand just behind the mobile, that time the air where you are trying to attach, the air escape out and it attached to it, and the outside air apply pressure on this stand. That's why it stick. If you try to pull out, you will have to apply more pressure. And air is needed for burning also. Yes. Do you think that the gas which come in cylinder, which is used in kitchen for burning, methane gas actually comes? So do you think that LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, or petrol or diesel, if you have a matchstick, can you burn easily? No. If oxygen is not available, you cannot burn, because oxygen is very important for burning process. I hope you understood. Okay, now we will see one more experiment which shows that which aim is to show that air is needed for burning. Let's move on the next point. Okay kids, so air is needed for burning. As you can see in the picture, I think the picture is small. But as you can see in the picture that there are two candles. And one candle is inside the glass, another candle is outside. One candle is not burning, another candle is burning. Yes, it is due to air. Let's see. So first of all, what will you do? You will take a candle. Bring a matchstick, and light the candle. So what will you do? You will take a candle and light it with matchstick. Okay, you will see that the candle will burn continue. Yes, But but now take a glass. Now take a glass and put the glass on this candle, as you can see in the picture. Put the glass on the candle. Put the inverted glass. Okay. Or put the inverted glass, as you can see in the picture. So what will happen? After some time, the candle will blow out. Yes, it will not burn. Yes, the flame will disappear. The flame of the candle will disappear. How comes it possible? Actually, when you cover the candle with a glass, that time the flame which is releasing the carbon dioxide, it feels the glass. Okay. And because the oxygen is not coming in the glass, because oxygen has already burnt, so this carbon dioxide blow out. This, due to this carbon dioxide, the candle stop burning. Yeah, so we can say that candle helps in the carbon dioxide, eh, help to blow it out, and oxygen help in burning. Because when the candle is not covered with glass, with a glass, it will continue burn, because the oxygen is around the candle, so it will continue burn. But when you will cover it, it will burn for few minutes, then it will blow out. It will burn for few minutes because there is something oxygen in the glass. But after some time, when the oxygen is completely over, then carbon dioxide will come because of the flame, and the flame will disappear. Yes, so it shows that air needs for burning also. Yes, oxygen help in burning. And carbon dioxide does not help in burning. Carbon dioxide gas does not help in burning, but carbon dioxide can blow out. Carbon dioxide gas can blow out. Yes. So you know that carbon dioxide gas is released from vehicles. Yes, the smoke of vehicle is actually carbon dioxide. It also come from the different factories. When we burn the wood, that time also carbon dioxide release. So it is harming our environment. So it is causing air pollution. So what is carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is air pollutants. Carbon dioxide is air pollutants. So there are different type of air pollutants, as you can see on the screen. So dust, smoke, harmful and poisonous gases which comes from factories, industries and vehicles are some of the air pollutants. Yes. So which are the air pollutants? Dust, smoke, harmful and poisonous gases which comes from the factories, industries and vehicles are some of the air pollutants. Yes, they are harming the environment. They are causing the breathing problem in the birds that fly in the sky, and we also having different kind of lungs related problem. Yes. So when the carbon dioxide level increase, then they also harm the ozone layer, which is causing the global warming. Yes, which is causing the global warming. What is global warming? Global warming means the increasing of the temperature of the earth due to carbon dioxide. What is global warming? The increasing of temperature of the earth due to carbon dioxide is known as global warming. Yes, the earth temperature is increasing because of carbon dioxide. Yes, that's why the glacier are also melting. And now the question is, what is smog? SMOG. Yes, what is smog? SMOG. Smog This word is made from two word. This word is made from two word. Smoke plus fog. Smoke plus fog. Uh, you might have seen during the winter season. Winter season, you might have seen in the morning time that if you drive, you cannot see anything clear in the morning time. You will see the smoke. Okay, smoke. You will see dhua, and which is actually smoke, which is made of smoke plus fog in the air, makes it difficult for the driver to drive the vehicle. Yes, because of it, driver cannot see anything clear during winter season. You might have seen, so it makes difficult for driver to drive in vehicle. Yes, so it is also because of air pollutants. Okay. Now let's study about water. Now our topic air is completed. Okay, air is completed. Now we will not study anything else about air. Now we will study about completely about water. Let's find out what is water and why do we need water, how much water do we need, what is water purification. Okay, let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. So let's study what is water. So water is made of tiny molecules. Yes, water is actually made of tiny molecules. Yes, in water, hydrogen and oxygen are present. Hydrogen and oxygen molecule are present. Yes. Okay, molecules are very small, small particle. Okay, mm, they formed from atoms. Okay, so hydrogen and oxygen form two molecules make the water. Yes, that's why the formula of water is H2O. That's why the formula of water is H2O. H means hydrogen, O means oxygen. H means hydrogen, O means oxygen. Okay. So water is made of tiny molecules of hydrogen and oxygen. So each one is so small that you can't see it even with the most powerful microscope. Yes. These molecules are very small. Even you cannot see with my powerful microscope. Yes. Okay. And if we talk about water, what is water? Water is colorless, tasteless, and smellless. Okay. Remember, pure water has no color, no taste, and no smell of anything. If if you feel that water has color, you can easily identify by just looking that if it has color, or by drinking you can find it has taste or not, or by just breathing through your nose you can find out it has a smell or not. If it is it has color, or if it has taste, or if it has a smell, then we can say that this is not pure water. Yes, because impure water is colorful, impure water has taste, impure water has smell, but pure water has no color, no taste, and does not smell of anything. Okay, and let's talk about the form of water. Let's talk about the form of water. How many form of water? Yes, there are three form of water. There are three form of water. First is solid, second is liquid, third is gas. Yes, there are three forms of water: solid, liquid, gas. So which forms of water are solid? Which forms of water are solid? Solid is ice. Yes, ice is solid. Hail, HAIL, hail. Hail is solid. Snow is solid. Yes. And if we talk about the liquid form, liquid, in the form of liquid, water is present in lakes, ocean, rain, yes, dew, fog, mist. All these are form of liquid form of water. Yes. And gas, if we talk about gas, steam or water vapor, yes, so, and invisible water, in water vapor is actually invisible water in the air. Okay. So this is the form of gas. So there are three form of water: solid, liquid, gas. Solid is ice, hail, snow, frost. Liquid is lake, ocean, rain, dew, in dew, fog, mist, or gas, steam, or water vapor. Okay. So now the question is, where can we get water? Where can we get water? Yes, where is water available? At where? Well, 97% water on the earth's surface is in the world's ocean. Yes, 97% water is available in the ocean, but it is not usable. Yes, it is not, you cannot drink. And it is salty water, it is dirty water, salty water. So it has taste, it has smell, it is colorful, so it is not good. 97% of water of the earth's surface in the world ocean, it is not good water. But the water, 3% water is available, which is good. But in these 3%, 2% water is in the form of ice. Yes, it is stored on the rock. It is found on polar ice caps in the form of snow. So it is, you cannot drink it. So 1% water is available for drinking. Actually, 1% water is available for drinking. Yes. So this is where you can find most of the other 3%, like lakes, rivers, polar ice caps, clouds, rain, stored in rocks. Stored in rocks is known as aquifers. Okay, sea ice. So that water is actually usable, but it is, but we drink the water we take the water from the ground. Okay, which is actually available for drinking. So 97% water is best. Yeah. Because most of the parts of the earth is covered with water, but 97% water is useless, you cannot drink. And but 3% is usable, but it is, most of the water is available in the form of ice, so you cannot use it, it is in the form of solid. That's why only 1%, that is groundwater, that we use for drinking purpose. I hope you understood about it. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, so now the question is, why do we need water? Yes, why do we need water? Well, water is very essential. It is used for to carry out many process. Yes, um, you know that water is used for drinking, water is used for cooking, cleaning, in food, for it is also used. Yes, it is used for bathing, it is used for cleaning the clothes, cleaning the utensils. So there are many uses of water. I have written the main uses. I have written 4 main uses of water, as you can see on the screen. Yes, so you know that first point, to carry nutrients and waste in the body. Yes, we, we should drink every day around 6 to 7 liter water. I think around, so 6 to 8 glasses we should drink every day. Okay, and it helps. Why do we need water? It helps to carry nutrients and waste in the body. Yes, water helps to throughout the body. we should drink every day early in the morning 1 glass water, so it helps to throughout the waste from our body, it helps to throughout the waste from our body. And why after eating food, after 1 hour of eating food, we should drink water. So the water help to absorb, break down the food in our stomach and help to carry the nutrients and take them to the different parts. Yes. Second point is to lubricate joints. Yes, I can easily move my hand because of the joint is available just at the elbow. In my hand there are two bones, so they are joined to each other with cartilage and ligaments. So water also help to make it lubricate. Yeah, that's why our bones are safe. If water is not available in our body, our bones will slowly destroy. Yes. So it lubricate the joints, it make liquefied. Yes, it makes soft. Water helps to make soft the joints. And it also lubricate the digestive tract. Digestive tract means food pipe, intestine, these. Okay. And body tissue. Yes, tissue means group of cell. Our body is made up of cell, so it also help to make lubricate the tissue, which help in different ways. Like muscular tissue, we have different type of tissue: muscular tissue, connective tissue. Muscular tissue help in the movement of muscles. Yes. Now next point is to cool the body. Yes, it balances the temperature of our body, it maintain the temperature of our body. Why should we drink more water in summer? Why should we drink more water? Because during the summer the temperature is more, so our body needs more water to balance the temperature of our body. So that's why we should drink a lot of water to cool the body, especially during physical activity. Whenever we do exercise, running, whatever, cycling, that time also we need a lot of water. Yes. Next point is to be used in factories, agriculture, hospital, hotels. Yes. It is used in factory. Yes, factory. It is used to make many things like cement, chemicals. So to make them we need water, and it is also need in agriculture. Yes, crops, without water crops cannot be grown, without water crops cannot be grown. And it is also need in hospital. Yes, and for cleaning purpose it is need, and many other purpose water is needed. So and hotels, yes, in hotel it is used for cooking food, and it is also need for bathroom, washroom. Yes. And how much water do we need? Well, most of the people need 6 to 8 glass water each day. Most of the people need 6 to 8 glass water each day. Okay. And if we do not drink water, then what will happen? If we do not drink water, then what will happen? Yes, if you do not drink water, you will have to face dehydration, constipation problem. Yes, dehydration means your body will not have water, then you may feel weakness. Yes, your body will start drying, your lips will start drying. So inadequate fluid intake can lead to constipations, dehydration. Yes. Okay. So but we should not drink coffee, tea, colas, Coca Cola, cold drink. Okay, we should not drink too much. Because why should we not drink coffee? Why should we not drink Coca Cola? Because they have a substance which is known as caffeine, which which causes you to lose water. Yes, caffeine can also harmful for your teeth. Yes, it's true. It is not fact. If you drink continue for 1 month cold drink, your teeth will start breaking down. If you drink cold drink continue for 1 month, your teeth will start breaking down. So you should not drink coffee in cold drink, okay? Because you are taking actually caffeine. Caffeine is that substance which is very harmful. Okay, these are actually caffeine containing beverage. Yes. So I hope you understood. But you can drink milk, you can drink juice because they are good. You can take them in the form of liquid. They can fulfill the requirement of water. Yes. Water is also present in vegetables, so they fulfill our requirement. Uh, and you know the runner do the exercise. So athletics जो they should drink additional amount before, during and after exercise. Yes, more water may be needed during time of fever or illness. Yes, that time also water need when you have fever or when you are ill. So I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, it's time to ask question from you. Question number one: prove that air helps in burning. Prove that air helps in burning. So I showed you the experiment in the beginning that take a candle and burn it, and after some time cover it with inverted glass. Then you will see that after some time the candle is will the flame of candle will disappear, it will blow out. The reason behind it is when you cover it with the glass, then the amount of oxygen will slowly start disappearing because of the carbon dioxide which is releasing from the flame. So carbon dioxide blow out it, but when it is not covered it continue burn because of the oxygen available around it. Yes. And now question number two, sorry. Why do we need water? Why do we need water? So you know that water is made up of tiny molecules of hydrogen and oxygen, and pure water is colorless, tasteless and smellless. Water exists in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. So why do we need water? Point number one: to carry nutrients and waste in the body. Yes, it throughout the waste from our body. And point number two: to lubricate joints, digestive tract means food pipe, intestine, and okay. And it also maintain the body temperature, especially during the physical activity whenever we do exercise. And it is also used in factories, agriculture, hospital, hotels. Apart from these it is also used for cooking, cleaning, drinking, yes, bathing, washing. I hope that you understood. Now we will meet in next class. We will study about distillation process and many more. We'll meet in next class. Till then, bye bye.